Bad font anti-aliasing in Ubuntu. I'm switching from Fedora 8 to Ubuntu 9.04, and I can't seem to get it to get a good font anti-aliasing to work. It seems that Ubuntu's fontconfig tries to keep characters in integral pixel widths. This makes text more difficult to read when 1 pixel is too thin and 2 pixels is too thick. Check the image below. In Fedora, when fontconfig anti-aliasing is enabled, fonts have their thickness proportional to the font size. Below, the thickness is different for 8, 9 and 10 point sizes. In Ubuntu, on the other hand, even when anti-aliasing is enabled, all 8, 9 and 10 point sizes have 1 pixel thickness. This makes reading larger amount of text difficult. I'm using the very same home directory, and I already checked that X resources are the same in both systems. GNOME settings. So, the question is, what should I change in the new box, Ubuntu, in order to get anti-aliasing like in the old box, Fedora?
There is an old trick to make fonts smoother on Ubuntu and pretty much every distro running GNOME. Open up fonts.conference under your home directory, .fonts.conference, and paste this in. Before. After.
As John said it, the ~/.fonts.conference file is useful to tweak your font configuration. I eventually figured out how it works after reading this article. This URL.
Although not directly responsive to op, the answer I came here looking for, and which would have saved me about 60 minutes was: don't forget to try turning down your monitor sharpness. In Windows, I'd used its font adjustment tool which somehow compensated for my monitor's overly high sharpness setting. Switching to Ubuntu with the same monitor, I was like, why does everything look awful? All fonts looked terrible, and also made the color depth look low. Only after trying a wide variety of options, mostly within Ubuntu, did I just start trying every setting on my monitor, and reducing sharpness to 0 that solved it.
The latest versions of Ubuntu allows changing these settings via Preferences in GT, Appearance in GT, Fonts in GT, Details. I find medium hinting to be the most pleasing on my LCD screen.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.